they have some quality of individuals within the ranks, of which they could affect the game any given point in time, so that when you are playing against this team, you need to score more than a goal. Scoring a goal wouldn't be enough, because they also have the potential to at least get one or two goals at the back of your net. So you need to score a goal plus before you'll be able to win all the 3 total points against them. So it won't be an easy game for Accra Lions, same as Asante Kotoko. They are not also going to have it easy, though they are playing against a relegation threatened side, but it won't come as cheap for Kumasi Asante Kotoko if they are winning the 3 points here.
I'll push you to the wall. Can you give me the prediction? Because last time you gave me the prediction. This time around, Kotoko, Accra Lions, the first department, what should we expect?
Very first half. Very first half.
Hey, that's what Asante is saying, that in the first department, you are not going to see any goal. So under 0.5. Kotoko against Accra Lions. So we are here at the Nations Wembley. It is Accra Lions who are playing their mind against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We will zoom straight to commentary position where we have Prince Owusu Ansan and Justice Colley to take over. So guys, if you are ready, you can take over.
The match commissioner for today is going to be Augustus Kojo Ajayke. So the officials are ready, and the environment and atmosphere overwhelmingly welcoming for this afternoon's fixture here at the Accra Sports Stadium. But before that, let's quickly run you through how both teams are really going to shape up in this very fixture. On the part of Accra Lions, who are dressed in black and of course blue shorts. We'll be starting the game with a different approach. Head coach Reina Andres Kraut will ensure that at least the maximum points at stake will become that of Accra Lions as they seek to maintain their posture and position in the Ghana Premier League. 16 for the table. So Daniel Afo remains in post. Daniel Afo remains in post. We have Issa Ibrahim, Jacob, Gildas Awote, Daniel Akwa, Fuzitela, Laki Nwafu, Musa, Hamzata, Edmond Amache, Richard Ajen, Ahmed Yusuf, and Jao Sokoli. These are the 11 players who will be doing the action here for Accra Lions. Now to the flip side of the coin, we have Frederick Asari in post. We have Onel Indogani, Samba, Michael Che, Dramina, Elvis Che, Bafo, Patrick Asiedo, Albert Amwa, Samuel Tenedu, Andrew Inti, Manu, Peter Amidu Aqua, Daniel Adran Ajete, and Michael Sifa. So basically, these are the 22 players who will be doing the action here this afternoon for both teams. And interestingly, we have a fixture that has a lot of history to it. Now to the substitute bench of Accra Lions, we have Kwajo Bones Osai, Salman Fatih Tahiru, Felix Abufa, Issa Mohammed, Sadat Seydu, Bernard Kesse, Lawrence Lobli, Setoji, David Olubi, Akinde, and Enes Ajensen. So Kotoko, one-time starman Justice Blair is on the bench. Fernando Wisdom Bassi, Emmanuel Elchi, Henry Kwame Ansu, Mohammed Kamara, Baba Jaja Samson, Eduku, Issa Menta, and Kwame Koko on the bench here for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Welcome. What afternoon we have and what a picture we have on our hands.
It's going to be an interesting game. A very good game. We are here to witness Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko up against Accra Lions playing home. This has always been a very good game, watching how Accra Lions play and how Krobia Asante Kotoko also play. They will be having the ball on the ground, on the turf. They will be exchanging passes. They will possess the game. So we are here to witness a very fantastic game. Kotoko, whenever playing Accra Lions, we see goals. It took the last game that they played in the first round. Kotoko won the game by a lone goal to nil. Go Kanketsi, Albert Amoy, and he's starting today against Accra Lions. Accra Lions in their last game also amassed all the 3-2 to witness a very good game.
We are here to witness a very good game here this afternoon. The atmosphere is overwhelmingly welcoming. So wherever you are watching us from, this is our continuous coverage of the Ghana Premier League. And this is a fixture that involves two sides. One seeking to get a 26th title, the other seeking to be maintained in the league. So it's a start here at the Accra Sports Stadium. And it is Accra Lions versus Kumasi Asante Kotoko. A fixture that has so much nostalgia attached to it. And the other seconds here for Accra Lions, who are desperately in need of all the points at stake if they really want to survive and play Premier League football come next season. That was quite important there for Musa Hamzata. And the ball traverses out of play here. An advantage for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, who are seeking to bounce back after their 1-0 draw in their last game. But can Kotoko make any possible run here? Great opportunity, flag is up already. And it's offside against Kotoko. Early incursions and Kumasi Asante Kotoko seemingly dictating the pace of this game.
That would be more important for Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko by way of getting an early goal just to unsettle the home side, Accra Lions, and coming from a draw that supporters were not satisfied.
Fue dominio reliable kura.
Lions from Martino and Krabono, 20th appearance this season Edima Accra Lions Hamzata, Ujemu Adiakwakuma Fusi Taylor Bonnet Tentenaso, Odibona Kwakwache, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Martino and Krabono, Wabo short, Nashudabi. Jamila Jete, Wababona Twakone, a go kick. Kodiama Accra Lions. Simamiano Antamde Ewa Accra Sports Stadium. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Shebi Chanso and Accra Lions Sentimi Shebi goalkeeper Daniel Afo Ukrabona Awono Kasani 80 box no Daniel Afo wabona 10-10 Adibona China so pass na Timanko free kick etia Andrews Intim Manu Central referee Ayaba What a free kick etia ma pente Adibona China so pass na Timanko free kick etia Echiwope Andrews Intim Samzata and the Jabonachi Central referee Ayaba What a free kick Jama wa control Accra Lions Wabone 10-10 bona cha Kotoko ana center sector and Jabona Subiano ma goalkeeper Frederick Kasari goalkeeper Daniel Afo wa control Wabone 10-10 bona cha Kotoko anafo Wapia bona Subiano ma goalkeeper Frederick Kasari Wabeche bono Ejama Kumasi Asante Kotoko Wejamo de bono ako nifaso bono krasamba wapia bono dia ban fifi wejamo dia kwa koma Samuel Tenedu ejamo dia koma Abed Amoa Patrick Asiedo abobona to akran throwing free kick echo referee play on advantage free kick for Accra Lions. Free kick call Etiama. Free kick call Etiama. Accra Lions baby abono tano. Ehu utu anamope enai eko enuma ubeura Kumasi Asante Kotoko 80 box no Accra Lions 6 wins in 26 matches. Fake kick at Accra Lions 5 minutes. Back you know about 10-10 also there be goalkeeper Benjamin Asare. No problem at all. Samba O'Neill. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Bonnet 10-10. Coach Michael Che Chamanana so ne sentiment can it through in. Six minutes echo. Toko Peter Amidu Akwa. Peter Wamapalja Konfifi na so dabi. Accra Lion Rantano and Crabon. Throw in. Throw in echo. The Fabulous Boys. Patrick Asotima Fabulous. Watone 10-10 the Achia box no we take we mwapembo no the fuel. Accra Lions counter. Now so there be a free kick, yellow card. First yellow card ako Etiama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Michael Sefa Waji yellow card. The 8th appearance this season Etima Fabulous. The last 6 matches Wabo 90 minutes nina Ediama Kotoko. Former player de Mabediama 2019-2020 Michael Seva Nobo Edma Liberty Professionals. Isa Ibrahim through in a Kotiama Accra Lions. Bona wedi Kotoko 18 box now so that be Kotoko no antena pinball no dey fi. Beautiful play from Patrick Amidou. Now so bona antima kwasabedu Amidou. Patrick Amidou. Peter Amidou. Wajawdi ama Abet in the Crabon. Bona tenten now so that be Richard Ajen. Wa club on the few amabono a coconut cake. Simama Kumako and watch it and temdi Makala Shibi Sanso Anna Kumasia Asante Kotoko Suntimi Shibi. Week 22 corner kick Patrick Asedu. Patrick Mabone Tenteni Acheti Abosunaso Lion Fratana Club on FUO. Join for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Patrick Asedu. Goalkeeper Daniel Afo. Wache bona bona tente bona chinanso antimanko. Mike Sefa Klebon dia fu bona koni fatso. Lion Brancheno and a Crabon, where Jabon de Bonaco, Nick Faso. Beautiful play. Now should there be a chance? Now should there be goal kick? Eko Etiama Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
That is a beautiful run from Timanidi at the Accra Lions. Oh, how a Taylor, Edge ball or search forward confidently. At the ball really pass now. I think say they are in for business and kakra because so in their last 5 matches Accra Lions are doing very well. Trust me. Their last 5 matches Accra Lions they are ultimate so at least they almost pick a point to hold more. A bet me do could do baby pa.
Live on original TV, Metro TV. Nafi Adon TV ubenya live coverage ni bi ahwe Alpha Production and Daroma and the live coverage at Bramo Bono Ikra Richard Ajen piano koma Taylor Jabo de Bona actually Hamzata piano koma ni Capito Isa Ibrahim Richard Ajena control ball Musa Hamzata appeared above 50. Makala Mantena Lusubono. Bonnet 10 Naso a throwing for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Patrick Asedu Watubono Edibona Koma Samuel Tenedu the Bonako Mfifi. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Mantene Krabono, a Jamudi Akakoma, and Lucinti Manu, a Jamudi Akoma, Samuel Abashot and Answedabi. Bolo Bueno. And what he be an into goalkeeper. Daniel Afo, no problem at all. Accra Lions Mantene Krabo 12 minutes. Still Obiantimi Fabo Antonio Cotona. Daniel Akwa Jamudi Akko Benkuso. Accra Lions right was a chance Wabo shot and should be. Bono number Bikra, a goal kick Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Well, Kole, that is a very confident one from a branch of an Edmond Amache. And one was a time over 18 box in the I did say Obenya Botre, no one keeping the nerves down, no wet to me, my accuracy, I edge my over 18 box in him.
Bonnet Bonachi box in also 5. I lose 3 matches. Eufi. Kona kike Kotoko Kotoko Bonnet Tenteni Bonachi na Sudabi. Kumasi Asante Kotoko na Suyamana Kwamana Fabonanko. Bonabedi goalkeeper Frederick Kasari. Ojemu Diakoma Samba Bonnet Tenteni Bonnet Kuni Faso. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Mantini Krabono Pian Adiache Tiabosuno na Sudabi. A goal kick. A branch and Abet Amoa. In the 18th appearance this season, Edema Fabulous. 8 goals and I was Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Bonnet a branch of Samuel Tenedune Krabono, watching back Samuel Piadako. Albert to a gem with the ball a shot. Now should that be Bonan and go posting in Champe 15 minutes. Simama Kumakwe Dunum Anthony Kotoko Shebi Sanso Ena Haran Shebi week 22 of the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. Coach Kraft Nenia Brute Sans Hamzata Pierre Man goalkeeper. Now so Akwakobo the defender Hamzata Koma Kike Koti Ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Fabulous 70 minutes. Bonitenti a chance for Kumasa Asante Kotoko Sudabi. Fuzitila Wapimbo no defio. Bona kwa koti in team Manu. Ojamu dia mabe kuso. Lucky Wafu